In this video we are talking about if Avax is going to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels again. As you can see, we finally saw this pump from Avax to the upside, and in the last video I said if we are breaking this purple line to the upside, especially this high right here with a daily or weekly body close, then the chance is high that we see an explosion for Avax. I will show you now the clip from the last video. I think the chance is higher that we are going to the upside again because we are seeing this higher low right here. So it shows that this last high right here was so strong that we are seeing a lower low from it, and now the chance is very high if we are going over this resistance and if we are seeing a daily or weekly body close, and in the best case that we are seeing the break of this last high right here, then the chance is very high that we are seeing an explosion to the upside. And as you can see, we pumped perfectly to the upside after we broke this high to the upside and we saw this move into the supply zone. And right now we are in this supply zone right here, and this supply zone caused the last moves to the downside. So now the question is, can we continue our bullish move to the upside, or do we find some resistance right here in the supply zone and we go to lower levels again? So as we go on the weekly time frame, I think the chance is high that we are going to the upside, and especially if we are breaking this last highs and this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices for Avax. And I think the next important area will be this supply area around $30, because we saw this move to the downside from this zone. So I think the chance is high if we are coming into the zone that we are finding some resistance right here. But on the other hand, we saw this explosion to the upside and we don't see a retracement right now. So the chance is high that we are seeing a retracement right from this supply zone to lower levels again, because after we seeing this explosive move, the chance is also high that we are seeing a retracement to lower levels again. But if anything interesting happens for Avax, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Avax. So all in all, we saw this crazy pump from Avax to the upside after we broke this purple resistance. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Avax. And right now we are in this very interesting zone. We are in this supply zone where we saw the last bearish move from. So the chance is high that we see a retracement to lower levels again. But I think the chance is high that we are going to the upside again, and especially if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close with bullish momentum, then I think the chance is even higher that we are going to the upside. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.